How to enable check deposit on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can enable check deposit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to enable check deposit on Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App over here and log into your account. Tap the home option from the bottom right there. Then you'll find this option here that says checks. So just tap on the checks option. Then you can enter the amount of check deposit that you want to make. Then after that, you can simply scan the front side, the back side, and then just tap on confirm option. After that, you can also confirm the back side of check if you want to. Then you can scan and submit. Then once done, it will be successfully sent. This way you can go ahead and then basically enable check deposit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.